Kelly Bayard has a good storyline when it comes to the weather, and it basically consists of one word, which is rain, right?
Rain. Well, rain for today. I actually see some nicer golfing weather maybe going into the weekend.
Okay,
so we
good.
will have
All
some
right.
dry time back in the mix here as we work our way towards our Easter weekend. But that day is not today. Rain is the word today. Look at out to Seaside. You can see all those raindrops falling on the promenade there and clearly in the lamppost that we've got on the coast there in Seaside. So expect to see that rain continuing. We'll see lighter showers at times this morning, maybe even a quick break in the rain. Lighter rain to start the first half of the day, but it does pick up going into noontime and beyond. So a lot of wet weather here for us today. You'll want the rain jacket. Mid-40s right now. Thankfully, we've got a warm front scooting in, so our temperatures have bumped up back to the mid-40s for a lot of spots around the area here. Notice the rain that we've seen since midnight, about 1/10 of an inch of rain in Portland, closer to about 2/10 of an inch of rain for some spots around the coastline. So again, those roadways are wet, and we're expecting potentially up to an inch or so more of rain as we finish out this system. By tomorrow afternoon, drier moments back in place as the system works out the door. But until then, notice how some spots around the valley here could see about an inch of rainfall. So a lot of wet weather, and it all really comes tonight, right around dinner time and the evening. Expect to see some heavier downpours and also more widespread moderate to heavy rainfall around the valley. Same goes for the coastline too, where we could stack up maybe an inch and a half of rain out there. Now, the culprit is this big low system offshore here. We've got that low center pressure, a nice warm front right now that is scooting in these showers right across the Oregon and Washington coast. It's also attached to an atmospheric river, which is a big hose of moisture that stems from the tropics. It pumps in a lot of precipitation to our region and helps to fuel these storms here. So as we work our way into our day today, the storm will continue to push over. We've actually got another low embedded right about here, and that's going to scoot in and bring us more of that rain that really picks up by tonight as the cold front moves in. So expect to see a lot of wet weather as we work our way throughout the day today. Starting this morning, we're under widespread rain now, but notice we'll start to get a few showers here and there. I do think the rain will lighten up as we head towards maybe 9 or 10 o'clock. And then as we get to about lunch today, more of these heavy bands of rain shift in. And by the evening time, notice this big band of rain here, maybe around 6, 7, 8 o'clock, we'll start to bring in some heavier bouts of rainfall. So a lot of wet weather for us tonight and some soggy conditions. The system just soaking our region as we head into tonight through Friday morning. So tomorrow a little damp as we start, still some lingering rain in the area for our Friday morning. But by the afternoon, we're drying things out here. The system works out the door. We are pulling in some colder air. So as we push out the bulk of the rain, we'll still see a few lingering showers and even a chance for a thunderstorm or two around the valley here. This big patch right there showing an isolated storm maybe popping up around southwest Washington, Clark County tomorrow in the afternoon. So a bit of unsettled weather for us tomorrow with a shot at a few isolated storms throughout Friday. But then we're drying out. Notice Saturday, we should see a mainly dry day. So that is the day of the next handful to get outside and make those outdoor plans. A nice day to tend to the gardens, get some exercise in, play outdoors with the kids, all happening on Saturday. So take advantage of that day. As we head towards our Easter Sunday, we are back under our next storm system. Yet another atmospheric river. There's that big hose of moisture that takes aim right around the Pacific Northwest here. So timing on this rain is still a little up in the air here, a little uncertain. Some models have this rain coming closer to the evening. Some models have this rain coming by the morning time. I think we actually may see Easter morning staying dry. So we could get some nicer conditions for any Easter egg hunts or Easter festivities. Monday morning looking drier now with a chance for those showers shifting in as we head towards the afternoon and a rainier evening in store. So not a bad weekend here to make some Easter plans. I do think we'll see a drier morning on Sunday. So do keep watching the forecast with us. That may adjust a little more. Maybe we are back to rain as we head into our day tomorrow. We start to see that rain setting up. So we'll keep watching that trend. But right now looking a little drier by Sunday morning. So today for the coast, back in the low 50s, rainy and breezy out there too. In Portland, we'll see daytime highs back in the low to mid 50s with that widespread rain and a soggier evening in store today. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperature wise, we're slowly bumping up towards the lower 60s as we head towards the weekend. I think Saturday will be a beautiful day. We'll keep it mainly dry, mostly cloudy, and low 60s. Can't beat that. And right now, Sunday, Easter, we'll still see daytime highs around the 60s with a drier morning and some showers trickling back in as we head towards the afternoon and evening.
Thank you very much, Kelly. And of course,